Hi, Andy Nelson. I am going to tell you about the time that I represented a mortuary. Okay, so it's not what you think, and actually, I guess I don't know what you think, but it was a trademark matter. And here is what happened. So, my client, we'll call that client Alpha, would search or would look rather in a search engine for itself, Alpha Mortuary, something like that. And you get organic search results. Those are kind of pressed down a little bit in the results page. And at the top, you see the sponsored ads, right? And so what they would see is that one of the first ads would say Alpha Mortuary Alternative and then have a little more text. And so, wait a minute. So somebody who's just quickly passing through might see Alpha, click on that ad real quick. And next thing you know, they go to a competitor's website. And some people might pick up on it, others may not pick up on it, and some may not care. The problem is, from my client's perspective, they thought their trademark was being used in a deceptive way to divert traffic, right? Internet traffic, people searching for my client to a competitor. And that's exactly what we complained about. Because, it was phrased in such a way, it says Alpha Alternative, but, if you're looking at it, if you're a consumer, does that mean an alternative to my client, Alpha? Or does it mean one of Alpha's alternative methods or alternative means, if you will, for cremation or something like that? You got to be a pretty savvy reviewer or consumer when you're looking at a quick ad like that to really understand what was going on. So my point here is pay-per-click advertising or other sorts of advertising on the web, if you are using a competitor's mark in it and you're not using it in such a way to say, hey, I am better than this other company in a kind of a comparative advertising sort of way, but using it in a deceptive way to divert consumers to your website, you might be looking at an infringement problem. You may be looking at some exposure, some liability. You don't want to be there. In this case I'm talking about, it actually wasn't even the competitor who did it. The competitor had paid a third-party company to get them better placement and advertising, and the third party did it. So my point here is, if you are going to use other companies to help further your search engine optimization or do other sorts of marketing for you, you need to watch exactly what they're doing, because they could get you in trouble. Anyway, that's it. If you have any questions about this video, feel free to drop me a note, leave a comment below it. And if somebody else might benefit from this video, please feel free to share it. Until next time, thanks. Bye-bye.